Sending out resumes are still important in today's society, even though some persons may leave their 9 to 5 jobs to start their own business. However, there are persons who are still wanting to have a career and still will be looking for a job. And therefore, writing resumes are very important, also cover letters. And therefore, if this is a skill that you are very good at, you can offer this as a service on a site called Fiverr, which I've often spoken about, and get paid handsomely, right? So if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Vivette and I'm a freelancer. And on this channel, we talk about ways that we can make money on Fiverr or otherwise. We talk about some personal development as well as some personal finance tips. All right, so if you like this content or this seems to be an interesting content to you, I ask that you like the videos, share the videos, subscribe to the channel, and comment on the videos. So as I stated earlier, that resume writing is very much relevant even to this day, because there are always persons who are always looking for jobs, and there are persons who are not very confident in writing a very good resume to send out to prospective employers, and therefore they would need your services in order to land that job or that particular role. All right, so I am on the Fiverr platform right now, and I'll be showing you persons who are on this platform who are making a lot of money writing resumes, even writing cover letters to go along with the resumes. And there are also even persons who will apply for jobs on your behalf. But in today's videos, I'm gonna look at resume writing, as this, as I said, is a lucrative skill that you can offer and get paid. And as I say, you can start out with Fiverr offering this type of service, and then you can transition into having your own business where you write resumes, cover letters. You can even set up person's LinkedIn profile, because that is also another way where persons can look for work using LinkedIn. All right. So I'm on the platform now, and currently there are 17,336 services available. So I'm just going to show you a couple persons here who are offering this type of service. All right, so you can see if this is something that you can do, and or even if you don't know how to do it very well, you can learn it and offer it on the Fiverr platform. All right, so this person says that I will write a professional resume and a cover letter. And currently, this person has 25 orders in the queue and already has 1,817 5-star reviews. So, guys, you see the potential here where you can offer resume writing and even cover letter writing and get paid. So the basic package for this person is starts at $75, and it says that I will provide you with a quick one-page resume to send out right away. And this is a 7-day delivery, and it does revisions 2 times, right? So you'll get the source file, you'll get the review and critique, you'll edit and rewrite custom design, right? So those are the services that he offers for his basic rate for resume writing, right? So the standard is $100, and he says that I'll provide you with a 2-page resume and a custom cover letter for the job you are applying for, right? And it's a 7-day delivery, 2 revisions. The premium is $125. I will deliver a 2 to 3 page CV cover letter thank you letter and help you optimize your LinkedIn profile, guys. You see what I'm talking about? He will also optimize your LinkedIn profile because most of the times when you're applying for jobs, the employer also looks to see if you have a LinkedIn profile. And it is very important that you have a LinkedIn profile and also to optimize it. So he will help you to optimize your LinkedIn profile. All right, guys, you see the potential here, right? And as I said, this person has already gotten 1,817 reviews so far. And not everybody who use this person's service leaves a review. So you can just imagine how many sales this person has gotten already. All right. So the basic is 75. So let's just do a quick calculation. So 1,817 reviews so far times 75, right? So he has made 136,275 just for those 5-star reviews, right? And this is at the basic package. So if somebody wants even the premium, right, which is what 125, you can just imagine how much money this person is making by creating CV, cover letter, thank you letter, and optimizing your LinkedIn profile. So, guys, you can start offering resume writing and cover letter writing and start getting some good money, right? So, here is another person who is offering resume writing, and this person says, I will write and upgrade your resume, CV, cover letter, LinkedIn. Guys, I'm telling you, you need to get on to this type of gig. Start offering this type of service, right? You also, as I said, LinkedIn is very important. So if you don't know how to create a LinkedIn profile for somebody, you can learn it. There are courses, there are even YouTube videos there that will show you how you can create a LinkedIn profile and optimize it, and you can offer it. Because honestly, guys, some persons, they don't know where to start. They honestly don't know where to start, and some persons honestly just do not want to do it. They will prefer to pay somebody to do it, and you can offer this service and start getting some paid. Look here, guys. This person has 171 orders in queue. 171 orders in queue. Already they have 16,343 reviews, thousand reviews already. Guys, you see the potential and what the basic package is. $75. $75. The standard is 115 and the premium is 140, right? And guys, this is the potential of offering this type of service. And you may never know. You just need to just apply yourself. You just need to just you know learn some more things about it, and all of that, and you can start offering this service, right? So you can do this, optimize person's resume, optimize their cover letter and their LinkedIn profile so that they can land the job that they are looking for, right? And guys, as I said, the basic package is this $75. It says accomplishment based full edit, ATS optimization, and reformatting of one to two page resume, right? And you'll get the source file, review and critique, edit, rewrite, custom design, right? And that's for the basic package. All right, let me go to someone else. All right, this person now says that I will create your mid-career resume, cover letter, LinkedIn, right? As I said, most persons when they offer these resume writing for you or cover letter, they will also offer to optimize your LinkedIn profile or even create it for you if you do not have one, right? So this person basic package starts at $171, $75, sorry, and it says accomplishment driven ATS optimized resume with an personalized bio and rewritten contents. So ATS optimize here, it's the ATS, I'm not remembering it right now, but is a software that most employers use when they are vetting resumes. So if you're applying for a particular job, you need to have certain keywords in your resume that are targeted for that specific job that you're applying for. And therefore, they use this software where they send your resume through the software, and if it doesn't pick up like certain keywords and stuff like that, it's not gonna acknowledge or taken out for the employer to go through in more details about your resume. So they will optimize your resume so that your resume is picked up and it can be, you can even land an interview, right? So that is what the I think it's I don't remember if it's an automated tracking system it stands for. I don't remember, but it's a software that is used by most employers when they are vetting resumes, right? So you can offer this as a service to person, learn the skills and offer this as a service to persons, right? So that they can land the job that they are looking for, right? So this is the last one now, and this person says I will provide professional resume writing services, and they already have 1,272 reviews, 5-star reviews. It person is a top rated seller, and they currently have 25 orders in queue. So guys, as I said, you can offer this type of service, or even if you have maybe worked in HR, or you are familiar with resumes and you know what to look for in a resume and stuff like that, you can offer it as a service, as well as you can offer services in HR to persons on the platform. And this person has 35 orders in queue, and their basic package starts at $85, and the person says, I will edit and review your 1 to 2 page ATS optimized resume and provide comments, right? The standard is 175, and you get your resume and cover letter, and he will offer roughly the same thing plus a tailored standout cover letter. And the premium is $180. You'll get a resume, cover letter, and LinkedIn. So you will do all of that, and you'll also optimize your LinkedIn profile, and you'll get the source file, you'll get review and critique, edit and rewrite, custom design, and optimize your LinkedIn profile as well as the cover letter. So guys, if you love the content, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the videos. Please share the videos and leave a comment. And let me know if this is something that you can do, or this is something that you think you would want to try to offer on Fiverr. And the good thing about it, guys, is that when you establish yourself on the Fiverr platform, you don't have to stay on the platform. You can create your own agency offering this type of service, right? You can create your own agency and you can charge the amount that you want to charge, right? So just start out with the Fiverr platform, get your clients, get your reviews, and you can put these reviews on your personal agency website offering this type of service. So as I said, if you love the content, guys, please like the videos. It really help out the channel. And if there are anything else that you want to be showcased on the channel, like other ways that you want you can make money, just leave it in the comments. I will surely make a video on it. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye everyone.